So what's up guys, this is me, this is Jelo Celebrity Kuliao, your Kusinero Ngalagan and YouTube channel. And in front of me right now is it's a waterfall. Yeah, my boss here is the best boss ever. This is my first time going out in Cebu. Actually, we are currently here in Bohol right now. We should go home right now in Cebu, but the thing is the ferry is not available, it's fully booked. So we are just chilling around, wait some the schedule. So here guys, I will show to you the view of the falls right here. My boss is out there. Yeah, just chilling out. Yeah, this is the falls here. This is what we call as Inambakan Falls. So this is the first travel vlog on my YouTube channel. I hope that you will like it and also you will love it. So if you're going to here in Bohol, just visit this area. Just search in your Google map Inambakan Waterfalls, and you can see this beautiful falls right here. My boss is right there chilling out. My girl boss and my big boss right there. So I will show you the view guys. This is the view. That is my boss right there. My boss right there. I hope that you will notice them. Who are they? So, and this here, friend Kevin right here. Oh, careful, careful. Yeah, right here guys. Get back. Look at that. I mean, look at that guys, the beauty of nature, God creation. So this is it. I know that for so long time I didn't post any video, but right now we are here in this falls, in the Bacan Falls here in Bohol, Tubigon Bohol, right? Yeah, just chilling out guys, just waiting for the ferries available schedule. That's it. My friend Kevin here, yeah, he's so nice. He's so generous person. He is, willing to help everyone who needs help. Yeah, he's not rich, but he wanted to help. He really liked to help. What have I done? We are living right now here. It's so nice. It's my first time experience here in Bohol. Like, it's my first time experience going out in Cebu. And this is right now. We have to go home right now. We have to go to the port so that we can book a ticket right now here. So again, this is your JC Jelo Celebrity Kuliao, your Kusinero Ngalagan, out!